Vlogtober day 30, beginning on Vlogtober day 29, and I am doing a instant pot meal tonight, and it's going to be a coconut chicken curry. So my first step here is to add in my fat. So I have coconut oil, and it's supposed to be ghee, but I don't have any, so I just put some spreadable butter in there. That's good enough. All right, be right back.
Sorry for the loud sizzling, but I have 2 onions chopped up, 2 medium-sized onions chopped up.
Spices are added. So I'm continuing my saute. And I'm about to add in the saute function. I have added in my tomatoes, chicken broth, and a little bit of tomato paste. And I'm just stirring it up. So now I put in the coconut, and so the recipe I'm following, I will link it down below. But one of the things that she suggested was that you put in the liquidy part of the coconut milk and then keep the creamy part until afterwards. So I managed to get like half of it. Some of it still made it in, but I did keep half of it on reserve. So I'm about to add my vegetables and my chicken, and then I'm going to set this thing to cook for 8 minutes. I'm currently adding potatoes, and I'm going to put in my carrots. I got these multicolored carrots from Trader Joe that I'm going to use, and then the chicken. Carrots added. All right, I use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and they're all in. Now the issue is that I cut up my chicken last night, and in the recipe, and I think in other recipes, they put it in whole. So I'm like, I hope my cut up survived this pressure cooking. All right, I'm about to set it to cooking. Set to 8 minutes, and there you go. So we still haven't started cooking. It's still just building up the pressure, which, yeah, it's still building. So Instant Pot is really kind of a misnomer because it's not instant, but it sounds like it's starting to build up, and it will pop over to the number when it's about to start to cook. So I'm hearing some gurgling. Sorry for the shaking. And that means it's going to start cooking soon, I think. But at least 15 minutes has passed already. So with all the prep, and I started right at about 6, and we still haven't started cooking yet. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It hasn't started to pressure cook yet. So when they say Instant Pot, they mean once it starts cooking, but it takes quite some time to get to that point. So I think shortly, because the little button is raised up at the top, you can tell when the pressure is pushing, a little silver button is popping up. So I think it's going to switch over to cooking soon. But the funny thing is, when I first got my Instant Pot, the first time I used it, I like set it, got it going, and ran out the room because I was like, oh, if it explodes, I don't want to get hurt. But I've never had a problem with this Instant Pot. Trying to see if we can catch it when it turns, because it's taking its little old sweet time to get that pressure to where it needs to be. all done. Now I just gotta stir in the rest of that coconut cream, and it's ready to eat. And there you have it. Lovely coconut chicken curry. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it. That's gonna be all for Vlogtober Day 29. This is for Vlogtober Day 29. Began and done and completed on the 28th. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Bye. So before I dig in, I forgot to say that this is fantastic over rice. But for me personally, I am avoiding processed foods. So no rice for me. That's why it's full of carrots and some potatoes. Alright. It should be very filling. Okay, bye.